Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Did you have a nice Christmas? Are you still on a holiday, still on a break? I have got quite a relaxed week for you, so I'm doing some showcases. So this is stuff that is in the new upcoming January to April mini catalogue. So I'm going to show you punches with the matching stamp sets and some embellishments today. So first up, I've got the Country Bouquet, and it's a lovely heart punch. Let me turn off my lights and see if that stops the reflection. Oh, there we go. So this punch goes with this stamp set. As you can see, it's brilliant. You can make your hearts, your flowers, just create gorgeousness. We like gorgeousness. Okay, so that's the first one. The next one is the Easter Bunny, which goes with our bunny stamp set. It punches this one out. I'm not so much the one for, you know, talented punch art. I don't know if you'll be able to make anything other than bunnies with a bunny punch, but, you know, it's great. We love that. Okay, next one. So the next one are the Happy Labels Pick a Punch. So this is the one where you've got 3 widths on 2 different designs, and it's actually going with this one here. So you can make your banner, and the brilliant thing about these kinds of punches, because we've already got a couple in the catalogue and we've had others in the past, is that you can make your length of banner however long you want, because you're actually only punching one end. So these sentiments, these greetings, so you can have a long one or a short one, and you can still punch out one end or both ends. I love these. Okay, which one's next? Lucky Clover. Lucky Clover goes with the Lucky Clover stamp set. Now, although I'm British, I'm not Irish, so I don't really celebrate St Patrick's Day, but I know it's a very popular thing overseas, and obviously with the Irish they celebrate St Patrick's Day. I know it's the 17th of March. I only know that because I have a young cousin, well young, he's probably about 25, but my cousin's birthday is St Patrick's Day, and that is his middle name. That's the only reason why I know when St Patrick's Day is. But finally we've got Petal Park, which is this one. So we've got Petal Park and we've got Sentimental Park, which is another stamp set. Same page, same sort of suite, but this one is punching out all of these bits and these things here. And actually what I will say about the clover, so although it's kind of St Patrick's Day, you know, you can make just good luck stuff. Anyway, it doesn't have to be St Patrick's Day. Right, let me show you some embellishments. Now I've discovered that I possibly forgot to order a couple of things. So what a good excuse for a little bit of shopping. So I'm going to bring in the ribbons that I did remember to order. So I'm trying to keep the catalogue out of the screen. So I've got the Balmy Blue and White, which I've opened and used. Oh, it's right in front of me. So that's this one, and it's kind of an ombre effect. So it's white at the top blending into the Balmy Blue. You can probably see it a bit better there. That's the first one, and it's very nice. It's very soft. It's probably going to be very forgiving when I try and tie a bow, which is always good. The Night of Navy bordered ribbon. Just saw that. This is really lovely. Night of Navy is not a colour I remember to use, but I do like to use blues. And it's just a nice ribbon, so it's sort of pale on the inside and then bordered on the outside like a mesh. Fab, love that. Oh, I did get this one. Maybe I did get all of the ribbons. Oh no, it was the twine I forgot. The twine I forgot and a couple of embellishments, but there we go. So we've got Pale Papaya in this lovely velvety, what is it being called? It's called Faux Velvet Trim. And it's nice. It's quite thick. I don't know if you can hear it. Where's my microphone? Oh, somewhere completely different. Probably didn't hear me. Can you hear that? It's lovely. It's nice tactile kind of ribbon. Which is the next one? Pool Party ribbon. Pool Party Grosgrain. And just a nice simple grosgrain ribbon. And then finally we've got a pack which is Real Red and Burlap. And the Real Red looks like one we've had before, and it's all sort of shiny and satiny, but it's not super shiny and super satiny. Oh, and it matches my nails perfectly. So there's a little bit of a shine. The shine is more on the stitching on the edge than the actual ribbon itself. And then the other one is the burlap with stitching on the sides. And just nice and simple, sort of kind of rustic farm perhaps. So, okay, right, let me go through my embellishments then. So I'm going through my catalogue. So I've got adhesive backed milky dots, which are just very nice, and they're soft colours. I don't want to put my lights on to reflect them, but we've got a yellow, a blue, a pale purple and a pale greeny colour. It doesn't tell me what colours they are, but I'm going to say probably soft sea foam at the top and maybe fresh freesia, night of navy, and perhaps daffodil delight. What page is it on? Page 31. So that should tell me what collection it's from, which will give me an indicator. So it's from the Regency Park suite, which is where the navy ribbon comes from as well. So I'm guessing that's maybe Mango Melody there. And maybe that, I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, right, let's get back. Oh, I've lost my page and I don't want to, I'm trying to go in order. Right, adhesive backed studs. I love these. These are fabulous. Different shapes, silver and black. Love them. How different. Love something that's a little bit different. The next one, I forgot to order. I can't believe I forgot to order the dragonfly trinkets. That's rubbish, isn't it? Sacked. And I think I also forgot to order the enamel dot essentials. Oops. Also forgot to order the enamel sticker icons. Did get the flat backed pearls, but actually I got those on my pre-order, which are these ones. And these ones, they kind of look different colours depending on what you put it on. So it's kind of dominantly pinky here and then purpley there, but what have I got in different colours? Depending on the colour you're putting it next to or on, that's not working, it changes colour. Let me see what it's looking like on here. So you've got the blues coming out. I love them. Love those. Right, what else did I remember to get? The adhesive backed sequins. I liked these because they were different shapes. So we've got this sort of teardrop here, as well as the regular circles. I can't speak circles. But yeah, I liked the teardrops. Very pretty. Iridescent pastel gems, definitely got those. Again, I got them on early order. And we've got sort of the pinkier colour, the blue, and then the orangey. Very nice. I know. All the stuff I was forgetting to get, I ended up getting 2 of these. And these are these tiny little, really tiny little loose daisies. And we've got white and we've got yellow. And it's almost like they are cut resin, because what's on one side, it's on the other. So there's no up or down, there's no sort of back to them. It's the same either side. And yes, so I've got 2 of those and none of half of the other stuff. Pastel, oh look, I forgot to get the opaque adhesive back gems too. Oh, but I did get these ones. Pastel adhesive back sequin. Oh, somebody's texting me. It'll be one of my children. Drop those down a bit. It's got the nice blue, the pink, and then the gold. Love those. But then the final thing I did get, I don't know if it falls into embellishment territory or not, but I do like blending brushes, and I just tend to shove mine in my drawer. But we now have a storage for them and small blending brushes. So it's quite simple. Oops. So it's got feet for it, which I will put on later. So the smaller ones sit at the front. So we've got, obviously that's the flat base and it arches up. Open those. If I get a small one, compare it to a big one for you. So that's the regular size and this is the smaller one. So the larger one sits at the top and the smaller one's at the front. And then obviously whatever you want to put in the middle. Stick another one in the middle, over there. And they just sit on your desk. And I don't know if I can tip it so you can see. There we go, if I put my hand on the top. So they sit there, so they do stand up a little bit. So it's not as though they're kind of hanging through. They don't hang through like that. You stand them, which actually is quite good if you're drying them. Oh, try and look at myself, not at the camera. If you have to dry them, they're going to be fully air dried all the way around. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using the little diddy ones. And I think that's it. But I'm just now going to have to, what a shame, going to have to place another order. Let's check if I ordered all the paper, hadn't I? So anyway, yeah, some ideas for you. This goes live on the 4th of January. Open and available to the UK, Ireland, all of Ireland, Northern and Ireland, Belgium, Germany, France, Austria and the Netherlands. 7. Where are we? Let me hold this here. This is where we are open. So I'm going to be sending out, so where you're... Hello, did you want to say hello? I want to say hello and headbutt your hand, Mum. This week, the week between Christmas and New Year, I will be getting the last batch of catalogues posted out. So if you would like one and you are in one of these countries, let me know. So anyway, from me and Sorrel, who is here to say hello, thank you ever so much, and I will see you back in the middle of the week. There will be a paper showcase and there will be a celebration showcase coming to you, and then after the new year back to the usual Monday, Wednesday, Friday tutorials. So speak to you soon. Bye.